In this short video, I'll show you how you can start to print your own fabric online using Digital Fabric's new and improved uploader. First, navigate to the fabric uploader from the Uploaders menu found at the top of the website. When you click on Fabric, this will load our fabric uploader. Take your prepared file and click on Upload Your File, then select your file to load this into the uploader. Before I carry on, a quick note about your artwork. This file that I'm using is a seamless repeat tile. It's been designed to multiply across the width and length of the fabric seamlessly with no gaps. You don't need to have a seamless repeat. You can print anything, photographs, banners, you name it. But if it's not a seamless tile, it won't print seamlessly. The great thing about our uploader is that it represents your final file in real time. So any changes that you make in this uploader will be instantly shown here in the preview on the right-hand side. We always recommend that your file size is between 150 to 300 dpi. You can adjust the file size here by adjusting these. Let me show you what I mean. If I change the size, you'll see that the system automatically resizes the image proportionally, adjusting the DPI and the preview at the same time. The next step is to choose your fabric cut. You can choose between linear meters of fabric or a strike-off. Pro tip, we always recommend ordering a strike-off first. This is a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter piece of fabric that allows you to check how the colors will print on your chosen fabric base. For the purposes of this example, let's assume that we've ordered a strike-off previously and we're really happy with how this is printing. So we're going to go ahead and order our fabric. Select linear meter and then choose your fabric base. You can choose from all of our fabric bases here, and if you're not sure which one is best for your project, you can click here to learn more about all our fabrics. It's worth mentioning here that the width of your chosen fabric updates dynamically in the preview. You can use this to see where your design will end within the fabric's width. The next step is to choose your file repeat for your project. There are 4 different types of file repeat that you can choose from. And if you're not sure which is best for your project, we recommend reading our step-by-step guide which breaks down those repeats in more detail. As I mentioned previously, our uploader tool represents your changes in real time. So, as you choose different file repeats, this will be displayed here on the right-hand side. Let's assume we're really happy with this layout and we're ready to order our fabric. Now, you just need to go and select how many meters of fabric you want. Our minimum order is just 1 meter. After that, you can order in half-meter increments. Read and approve the terms and conditions and select Add to Cart. Once you've added to cart, you can then click Order and Pay. On this page, it will help you calculate your shipping costs and you'll be able to place your order. And it's that simple.